Want to record 4K videos on your iPhone? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to enable 4K and start recording high-quality videos step by step. Start by opening the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Camera. Inside the camera settings, choose Record Video. Here, you'll see different resolution and frame rate options. Select 4K at 30 FPS if you want a balance between quality and file size. If you prefer even smoother video, you can pick 4K at 60 FPS, but keep in mind it will take up more storage. Once that's set, just open the camera app, switch to video mode, and start recording. You'll notice a 4K label at the top of your screen, which confirms that your iPhone is now recording in 4K. And that's it. You've successfully set up your iPhone to record 4K videos. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick iPhone tips.